Welcome to our tutorial video for DJI Matrice 4 series, where we will introduce the intelligent computing platform of the DJI Matrice 4 series. On the DJI developer platform, start your application to become a developer by logging into your DJI account and entering your developer information. Click Next, review your details, and submit the application. Your developer status will be automatically approved. On the DJI developer page, click Algorithm Dev, and then Become a Developer to access the application form. Enter your company profile and describe your user scenario, then submit your application. Please wait for the review process to be completed after submission. Click Console, and then Obtain Model to get a compressed package. This package contains a patch file and adaptation instructions for intelligent computing development. Follow these instructions to train the model effectively. In the Model Management interface, click Upload Model, then select Model File. Choose Quantization Images. Input the enumeration value and enter the user side name. Finally, click Upload to start the process. After the model training is complete, click Validate. Enter a task name. Add images for validation. Adjust the confidence level or overlap rate as needed, and then click OK. Under Validation Tasks, click Check to see the validation result. In the Distribution Management interface, click New. Enter a task name. Add the model file, and import the TXT file containing the list of aircraft ascents. Click Open. Select the model's expiration time. Adjust the confidence level, and click Confirm and Distribute. The quantized model will then be distributed to the devices with the specified ascents. Power on the remote controller and aircraft. Make sure the remote controller is connected to the internet. Launch DJI Pilot 2. Tap on Cloud Service from the homepage and choose Flight Hub 2. When the login screen appears, input your DJI account and password, then tap Login. After logging in, join an existing project. On the app's homepage, go to Settings, then Algorithm Management, and select from Cloud. Choose the desired algorithm and tap Download and OK to save it locally. Select Local Algorithm and tap Use to upload the algorithm to the aircraft. The model also supports offline distribution. In the Distribution Management interface, click New. Enter a task name. Add the model file, and import the TXT file containing the list of aircraft ascents. Set the model expiration time. Adjust the confidence level, and click Confirm and Distribute. The quantized model will then be distributed to the devices with the specified ascents. Click Download to obtain the offline import package for the quantized model. Copy and paste the package onto an SD card, then insert the SD card into the remote controller. On the DJI Pilot 2 app homepage, navigate to Settings, Algorithm Management, and select from SD card. Choose the third-party algorithm file and confirm to import it locally. Then, in the Local Algorithms section, click Use to upload the algorithm to the aircraft. In the camera view, enable Smart Detection from the left side toolbar. Open the Smart Detection panel and switch the model to the third-party algorithm. Then, check the Smart Detection information.